Interesting. Controller. The drone itself. Okay, so controller, drone. I don't know what to get here. Charger. There's some okay, cable. Plug. Charger plug. What else do we have here? Cable box. Just a bunch of USB. Okay, nice. So adapters. Pretty cool phone adapters, I think. This, okay. Spare prop. Oh no, no spare props, my bad. Props. Okay. And okay, so the manual, sport, safety guidelines, battery safety guidelines. I'm guessing a quick start guide manual in the box. What's in the box? So yeah, pretty quick. Interesting. Drone, controller, charger, manuals, props, and cable and adapters. So here's everything that came in the box. The drone itself, USB cable, 4 propellers plus 2 spare, battery, controller knobs, extra controller knobs, and some micro USB adapters for other phones other than iPhone, battery charger, and manuals. And you have a DJI support via Facebook Messenger. I don't know. Yep, that's it.